Hello everyone. In this video we will learn to solve question number 2 of mensuration chapter. So question number 2 is the area of trapezium is 34 centimeters square. From the question it is clear that area is 34 centimeters square. In your books the diagram is not given with this question. So we will learn to make the diagram as well. So firstly we will write whatever things are given to you. So area is equal to 34 centimeters square. Do not forget to write units. Next is the length of one of the parallel sides is 10 centimeter. Now since we do not know that which parallel side is 10 centimeter, so we will write AB is equal to 10 centimeter. Now it can also be possible that we get the other side which is smaller than 10 centimeter. Since we do not know that what will be the answer, so we are using 10 for this. The height is 4 centimeter. Height means the distance between the two parallel sides. It is 4 centimeter. Now make sure that whenever you draw any of the figure, so you name the figure either in the clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. See A, B, C and D. Do not write that A here, B here, C here and D here. A can start from anywhere but it must be in a clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. So AB is equal to 10 centimeter and height is equal to 4 centimeter. So now let's find the area as per the formula. Area is equal to half into sum of parallel side. So here the parallel sides are AB and CD. Now what are the parallel sides? Parallel sides are which do not intersect if they are extended. So means the lines which do not intersect on extending them in any of the direction. Those are parallel sides, and the sides which intersect on extending. So here if you extend AD and BC, it will intersect here somewhere. Okay, so these are non-parallel sides and AB and CD are parallel sides. So sum of parallel side AB plus CD into distance between two parallel sides is 4 centimeter. So simply write 4 here. Or you can write H here. Okay, so distance between two parallel sides. Now area is given 34 centimeter square, half. Now you know AB is 10 but CD you do not know. Write CD in this way only. Multiply 4. Some students make mistake that they divide 10 with 2. Make sure that it is a bracket, and as per BoardMaster rule, you cannot solve the outer part until you have solved the bracket. Means you need to solve the bracket first. So since 1 by 2 is in multiplication with 4, so you can cut in this way. 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So you get 34 is equal to 10 plus CD, put the brackets, multiply 2. Now you can open the brackets. So 34 is equal to 2 into 10 plus 2 into CD. You can take 2 in the division as well. You can simply divide 34 by 2, so you get 17, or you can simply open the bracket as well. Let's solve rest of the part here. So 34 is equal to 20 plus 2 multiply CD. So you get 34 minus 20 is equal to 2 multiply CD. So here you get 14 is equal to 2 multiply CD. So now since 2 is in multiplication with CD, so simply take 2 in the division with 14 is equal to CD. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14. So you get 7 is equal to CD. Now make sure that whatever you have to find, that must be in left. Put 7 here. Now you must be thinking that when you take anything on the other side of the equal to, it becomes negative. Since you take CD here, so it becomes negative. 7 take here, it becomes negative. But since both are negative, so we cut the sign of negative. So we can ignore this step. So you simply get CD is equal to 7. Do not forget to write the unit. So it is CD is equal to 7. Now you can observe that the smaller side is of 10 centimeter and longer side is 7 centimeter. Since we were not aware about the answer, so we have taken 10 here. So you can make the diagram now again. Now since AB is equal to 10, so take AB, CD this way. So AB is equal to 10. So you can make this diagram later on after solving this question to show this to the teacher that earlier we assumed that this is 10, but since we have got this length smaller, so we are making the diagram again. This is 7 and the height, this distance is equal to 4. So this is basically your answer. CD is equal to 7 centimeter. Hope you got this question. Thank you everyone. Bye.